Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and you guys know where this is from. Yes, Dooney Bourke. So if you are interested in seeing what is inside of the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I have my trusty scissors here. So this is a bag that I do not already own in my collection, and I wanted something in this particular color, but I couldn't quite decide what bag I wanted. So during the last Dooney Bourke sale, I thought that I would just pick up this bag, trying something different, and see how I like the color. So let's see. Here's my packing slip. All right, guys. This is a bag that I have been on the fence about for a while. First of all, because of its size. I wasn't quite sure of the shoulder drop or the size of the bag. So anyway, here is how it came wrapped. And here is the bag. So let's just see. So again, I have been wanting this color, but I just could not decide what bag I wanted it in. And if you saw my last couple of videos, I've been looking at this color in the outlets, but could just never pull the trigger. Okay, so she is the East-West Shopper in the color Leaf, and this is quantity 1 of 1. So let's just get into it and see what we have. Wow, okay. Packaged really nice. So it kind of does look like this is a return because there is no plastic or anything on the handles, but that is perfectly okay. So let's see. Okay, so here she is, the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather East-West Shopper in the color Leaf. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color. Look how absolutely beautiful that is. Love this color, and I actually think I like it. The strap drop seems a little bit short, but this is adjustable, so I think I can lengthen it just a little bit. But overall, I think I like this. So let's take the stuffing out just so I can give you a tour of the inside. So let's just take a quick look. I can tell it has not been used, but I know it's a return because of how it was stuffed. But again, that is perfectly okay. I don't see any usage or anything. Let's check to see if it has all the papers in here. It does still have the sticker and also the registration card here. So here she is. She does have a magnetic closure as well as 2 snap closures here on either side. She has a slip and a zip on the back wall, Dooney Bourke patch. And on the other wall, she has the accessory pocket as well as the smaller little pocket here. So again, beautiful, beautiful bag. I got an awesome deal, and it also gives me the opportunity to try it out. So I did try to match my outfit, but as you can see, it is a little bit off. I had totally forgotten what the color leaf looked like, so still a gorgeous, beautiful bag. So anyway guys, let's just do a couple of mod shots just so I can show you how the East-West shopper looks on the body. So it does look like she passes the elbow test just barely on the factory setting here. Over the shoulder, really, really nicely. Here is how she looks from the front. Nice and comfortable under the arm. As you can see, I have quite a bit of shoulder drop here underneath the arm. Here's how she looks from the back. Really, really nice tote. Here's how she looks just being carried by the crook of the arm. So anyway guys, if you are considering the East-West shopper in the pebbled leather, I hope these mod shots help you make a decision as to if this beautiful bag is right for you. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.